Video, I'm going to show you how to recover lost or deleted photos on your Android phone using the File Recovery app. You can find this File Recovery app from the Play Store or App Store, and you can install it from there. I'm going to open up the File Recovery app right now. And once you're in the app, guys, just simply click in Photo Recovery at the top. Here it's going to quickly search. I must say, if you open it for the first time, you'll need to allow permission to your gallery and so forth. So once you do, you'll be able to, let's say, have the scan done. And as you can see, it succeeded by finding over 10,699 files. So I say a total of 10,699 recovered files were found. Please restore them. And you can click on OK to restore those files on your phone. And that's it. So you can quickly restore any deleted files or folders that is on your phone by using the File Recovery app here. It's a powerful app, so check it out, guys. And if you found it useful, let me know in the comments below. If you know what the app is just like this, let me know in the comments below as well. And yeah, if you find the value here, give this video a like. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next video.